Buenos dias, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. We are back with another video. Today is going to be real simple. I mean, it's not like a shop cleaning. This is Oscar from Junior Landscaping, and my son Ariel from Ochoa's Outdoor Services, right there. Can you see it? Yeah, we are here in the new shop. We come just to start the truck 14 because we're going later today to pick up my son's truck at the dealership because it was having a issue with some ¿qué problema era?
Algo eléctrico.
Some issue with the electrical whatever computer whatever system, and every time he was driving, I mean not like every time, but sometimes when he was running the truck just like that, the truck is stopped and all the displays got like a black like a just like that, just black, and it cannot move the truck. So we take it to the dealership last week, and they just finished yesterday they have it done yesterday. So they called my son yesterday, so we're gonna pick it up today. But right now we are here at the new shop because we're gonna take the truck 14 because they're gonna have to do something to the, what is that, like the 4Pass, something like that, because I cannot start it with the phone, and every time I try to start it with the application, it says I have to connect the truck to the system, whatever. So we try everything and it's not working, so I have to take it to the dealer and see what they're going to do. So after now we're going to pick up my niece Maggie, because I'm ¿cómo se dice? ¿Enseñándola o coaching? Training. Yeah, I'm training her because she's going to help us with the office this year. I hope everything runs very well this year, with the office work, paperwork, everything with the office. So I'm teaching her, so I mean training her, and we have to pick her up. We have to pick her up in a bit, So after that, we have to go to my house, just drop her up, and then we have to go to the dealership. I mean, come to the shop, pick up the truck, and go to the dealership. So let's go and start the truck. It's going to be a cold start. Junior says that. I don't know what that means. So let's go to outside and run the truck, guys. Wait. It's real cold today. I think right now we are at the teens. It is It is 0. Yeah. Junior said it's 0 today, and I think with the windshield it feels below 0. Yeah, so that's why I'm planning to do nothing today, guys. I mean, I don't want to spend let's take a look on the muffler. Can you hear the noise of the motor because it's cold? Can you hear it? Yeah, guys, like I told you the other day, I record a little bit with my phone because I forgot the SD card for the camera. So I just did oil Bobcat? Yeah. Yeah, and like I say, I didn't record too much. I just come to get the keys because I forgot inside the truck. So I just record a little bit. But today is just like I told you guys, I don't want to do nothing here. We're almost done cleaning up, but we still have to build the bunkers. But for now, I think I'm just going to build the salt bunker, maybe. I'm not sure, because I want to start bringing all the trucks. Let's start the T76. Take a look, guys. There you go. It is cold, guys. You see the white smoke? You see it, guys? Last year, around this date, last year, we tried to start with the T76, and we cannot make it start. It was real cold last year, so we have to put some heater in the back just to make it a little warmer and make it run, you know. So you can see all the white smoke or the vapor, I don't know. See? And I will call the semi maybe later today. I'm gonna get like two loads. I'm gonna start with one load of grade 8 gravel. You know, it's like stone dust. Some people call it like that. Some people call it like C6, and but we call it like grade 8 gravel. So I'm gonna get one load because I'm gonna fill it up this area right here, and I have to put the more gravel in the parking lot for the guys. So, but I'm gonna use a little bit of gravel in that area, all the way starting from this tree, all the way to the gate, because in some parts it's like wavy, you know, like this. So I like to have it like more even, you know. So, and I think like I told you guys, I was planning to put the bunker on this side over here, this side, but I don't know if you can tell in the video, the pitch comes from this side to that side. The pitch goes like this, you know. So if I decide to put the bunkers in that side, when we have our rain, all the water is going to run to that side. And if we put the bunkers in that side, we're gonna collect all the water there. So I don't want to have the the gravel wet all the time, the topsoil, the mulch, all that kind of stuff. I don't want to get wet. So maybe I'm gonna put the bunkers in the north side, the trucks in the south side, and maybe that area over there in that part we want to stack like material, like the pipes, you know, like all that kind of stuff we're gonna have on hand. So, and like I say, maybe the south bunker is gonna be in this side. So we're gonna figure it out later. Okay guys, let's get out of here. We're gonna have to go, like I say, and pick up my niece, and then we're gonna come back again. It's cold, guys. Okay, see you in a bit, guys. You go. See you guys. Okay, plebes, we're back. Yeah, we go pick up our niece, my niece, and we're back to the shop. And we're going to disconnect the trailer because we're gonna take the truck with us, like I told you guys. And maybe we wanna remove the plow. We don't need the plow. ¿Tú ya estaba prendido? ¿Se apagó solo? ¿Le vamos a quitar la pala? And as you can see, guys, my son's friend, he didn't show up to come and wash the truck. So, but for now that's okay because it's real cold. So I don't want to put him to wash. ¿Ah?
Déjalo paz.
¿A quién? No, pero estoy diciendo que no vino, güey. Alright, guys. Yeah. What? Se le está saliendo este, viejo. Hijo de su puta madre. El pin ese, mira. Está afuera, ¿cómo no?
Está bien acá.
El pin este.
Oh, ese sí. Oh, pero se había caído.
Yeah.
Tiene la culpa.
See guys, this pin is coming out. Somebody removed the other pin by accident, I believe, and it's almost out. So you have to check those things every time you are towing, hauling or whatever the trailer, and even more when you have the trailer with some equipment, machines or whatever. So it is kind of dangerous, guys. Yeah. All right, I'm going to stop the camera right now, guys. We are heading to the dealership now. We say we want to remove the plow and leave the shop. Okay, guys. See you in a bit. All right, guys, we just get to the dealership. Oh my God.
¿Qué pedo? Ni que es la misma.
No puedes. All right, guys. Sorry. Yeah, my boy. Sorry for the crooked camera. All right, guys, we are at the dealership. We already bought like 3 trucks in this dealership. They are very nice with us. So let me show you the trucks they have in the stock. We ordered 2 trucks the other day, 2 dump trucks, but not like these ones. I don't like the color, and the beds. I don't like the beds. We asked for quote with the plow and without plow. Let's see how much they told us. This is nice. I like this one. See the truck they have. They have a few dump trucks, like I said, but I don't like the color, like this gray color. I don't like it. I don't like the beds they have. This one is nice too, but I don't want to get like the landscape box, like the one I have, like the 29. I don't wanna get it like that. I wanna get it like steel, something like that. I don't remember. So this one is nice too. But it's only single cap. So I want to get it like a crew cap. That's what I want to get. And foldable side doors. See? Alright, guys, let's go inside and meet our salesperson, Eric. That's his name too. So let's go and see what he says. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, we are done with the dealership. Junior has his truck. It is ready to go, ready to put it to work. And yeah, they fixed the issue that the truck has. So they said now is good. Okay, so they checked truck 14. Eric, the salesperson, he was trying to help me connect my phone with the FordPass app to the truck to make it run. Like I start the truck with the phone, unlock, lock, whatever else, everything else. and he tried like for 10-15 minutes, and it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So he sent us to service department, and we talked to the guy who talked to Junior for about his truck, and he came out with a scanner, whatever. He plugged in the scanner, and he was checking and everything, and he found an issue with the module or whatever. I don't know what else. I mean, for what that module? I think the module is the one who received the signal from the satellite, because he told us that Ford used AT&T for Wi-Fi, whatever else, all that kind of stuff. So they use AT&T. So he says the module is bad. It's not working properly. It's not good. So I made an appointment for this coming Thursday at 7 a.m. So I'm gonna have to bring the truck to service department. They're gonna check and everything to first approve the part, and then they have to order the part. So they're gonna call me the same day, Thursday, just to pick up the truck. It's not gonna be fixed on Thursday, so they have to order the part first. Then they have to get the approval from the engineer from Ford, and then they have to receive the part. They're gonna call me again, bring the truck again back to the dealership, and they're gonna pull it in, and try to fix it. So it's gonna take like a week, maybe 2 weeks. But the good thing is I can use the truck. I mean, it's not like something that I can use it, So yeah, I'm allowed to use it. So that's the good thing. So if something happened, with the snow, because I think tomorrow they are calling like for 40% of snow showers. So I hope to get that little showers, so that way we have work to do, go out and spread salt to all the properties that we have. And like I say, today I'm not doing nothing besides teaching my niece with the office work. So I just went to pick up her, then we drop her to my house, and she is doing some Google Sheets that I told her to do. So she's in my house right now, because I have my office in my house, guys, in the basement. So for now, so once we have everything done in the new shop, I'm thinking to buy either a shed, or whatever it calls. Like I told you guys, I cannot pronounce that word. It's kind of hard for me to pronounce it. So that's why I say little casita, So either buy that or a container. If I buy a container, I have to build like a nice office, like insulate the container, put like AC, heater, real nice inside. So that's what I'm planning to do, but it's going to be during the summertime, so that way we can do it like in the weather, nice weather. So all right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up the video here. This is going to be the end. As always, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment, share, like, everything else. And gracias otra vez por ver los videos. Suscríbanse al canal, comenten, denle un like, compartan, todo lo demás, guys. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye. Adiós. Hasta la vista. Sayonara.